Which video should I make? Oh guys, you're here. So today I was thinking about if one member asked me that how do I make my channel. So I'm gonna tell you in this video how to make a YouTube channel. That's right, I'm gonna show you how you can make. The first important step is you have to like the video and share and download that. Download means if your electricity is gone, then also you can make sure you can see it. Okay, let's start the video. So first thing you need is you have to add a Gmail account. So if you don't have a Gmail account, you can sign in through the Google or YouTube, and first of all you should open your Google app, and you should it's gonna load for 20 seconds or 30 seconds. So that time you enjoy the music. I'll keep it. Here you can see that I have my YouTube channel here in this corner. If you are new on Google or you use a new laptop now, so you should log in with here. I'm here. Here. You can see that. Again, oh my gosh, I think I made a mistake. I'm only turn the camera here, and I think 700,000. Yeah. So you should see this my account, and who have Gmail accounts, it will open kind of like this short page, and you should click on your channel like that, and it's gonna load, and it's gonna not show your videos, or it's gonna show first what will your rename. So you should take a name and you should write down there, and then you should go to the settings there in the mobile. You should do that. Then it will be the private, then you should do it public. Then it will automatically, you should upload the videos like I uploaded a day after, and first I would use Hindi. Yeah, I use Hindi. Now I'm using English because my comments told me good content bro, keep it up, he told me. So I was encouraged by his comment. So make sure you like the video, be sure to give a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care everyone, and bye bye.